Seed starting tomatoes using the 2-cup method. Tomatoes are a challenge because you have to repot them twice in order to get the full root growth that you need in order to make the plants healthy and producing a lot of fruit. So usually you start with the small seed trays like we did with the green lettuce and so on. But and then what you do with the tomato plants is once they get to a certain size, you transplant them into like a 4-inch pot, let the roots grow out some more, and then you transplant them into the large pot that's going to be the permanent growth pot for your fruit. However, by using the 2-cup method, you see the cup is actually pretty much like a 4-inch pot. And what I've done is by using this one, you can only transplant, you only need to transplant once because the roots grow quite robustly in the pot, in the 2 cups, and then you can transplant it to your pot that you're going to use for the fruiting. So how it works is like this. First you have, you can buy these, I buy them at Costco, they're really quite cheap. You can buy 200 for, $10–15. So what you do is you take one of the cups and you either cut or drill holes in the bottom. I found that the drilling holes, they have to be quite big because when you pull the plant out, once it's matured, some of the roots tear off if the holes aren't big enough. So what I've done is I started using scissors and cutting triangle holes, which also go up the side, and it seems to free up the roots a little more when you do finally transplant them. So that's step 1. And then step 2 is you get a pot where you put the bottom in, and you can see now if you just leave it like that, there's not much space in the bottom. So what you do is you put a marble in the bottom one. So for instance, here I have a marble. You can hear it rolling around. So the marble's there, and then you put the and you can see it sits up higher. And so that gives the roots enough room when they grow down, they grow through. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you now. I've already pre-filled a pot with some potting soil. I have the bottom one, which I can put some water in so that it fills up to essentially cover the marble. And then you put your pot on top, and then what I'm going to show you is another one of my seed starting hacks. Bamboo skewers. Bamboo skewers. These are really cheap, and they're basically bamboo. You use them for barbecuing, skewers. But what you can do with these is if you wet the end just a bit, get a little bit of water on it, and then you take your seeds and you just touch them with the tip. The seed actually sticks to the point, and then you can just place it right in the soil. So you just take your seeds, you just take your wet bamboo skewer, touch one of the seeds, it comes right off, and you can then put that exactly where you want to place it in the soil. So that's a real easy hack in order to individually take tomato seeds or other seeds which are small and delicate, and if you want to pick one up and put it exactly where you want, these skewers with a little moistened tip at the end make a really good way to put your seeds into the soil. And then all you have to do is put the seeds, cover them up a little bit, put them in your, do a little sprinkle. I like to sprinkle a little bit, get it wet on the top. And then the rest of the time, the soil will get moist from wicking from the bottom, just like in the other way. You just use it to keep the soil moist. And you can pick up one seed at a time, like so, put it in. And what I'm doing is just to make sure that they germinate, I'm putting 2 seeds in each pot. So you can just put them right in. Let the moisture wick up from the bottom. But you pick up one seed at a time. and it works really well to just regulate the amount of seeds that you want to put in each cup. So this way, these seeds I dried myself from tomatoes that I grew last year. So that's what I do now, is I get my seeds from the year before. And the way this works, the tip just has enough moisture that it picks the seed right up off from your source, and you can put it right in to a cup, and makes seed starting quite easy. Gotta make sure it gets off there. Grow my tomatoes from. It's going to be so exciting to have tomatoes again this year. So I've basically done this for, and I put 2 seeds in each cup so that in case one doesn't germinate, the other one will. If you end up with both of them germinating, I usually pull one out, or if they're both robust, I might repot the second one. So I'm going to end up with 40 probably plus tomato plants, and we'll repot those, but it takes a month or so for the plants to grow in the pots, and they'll grow to a foot high in these cups. So that's my seed starting tomatoes in the 2-cup method, and it's worked for me for a few years now, and I just keep them in the greenhouse here, and there's enough warmth and enough sunlight so that they tend to grow very good. And then the only other thing you have to do is at some point down the road, you're going to have to harden them off by taking them outside, bringing them back in. And it's much easier from the greenhouse than trying to do it from inside the house and outside the house, or from a garage back and forth. There's all kinds of ways you can try to mitigate that. But the bottom line is, the easier you can make them, I have them in these trays and I can just carry them out, put them on a table, and then bring them back in. Next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be transplanting these seedlings. So that's going to be next week. We're going to start doing that. And use the red button to subscribe. It helps me out on my channel as I'm starting out. Next week, we're going to prepare some pots and transplant some of our seedlings into pots. I'm trying to do something new. You always should try something new. I'll tell you about that next week. Leave it as a surprise. Don't forget, I have other videos you can watch on seed starting, or just on the general theories behind stand-up gardening. And I have a subscribe button, and I also have a link down below to my stand-up calendar and planner.